there, today I got a nice exercise for you that also adds to your chord vocabulary. Playing different chords doesn't always mean that they all consist of different notes. If you change bass notes, then you actually change chords. The exercise I'm going to show you now is also about finger training. Let's now take a simple voicing like this here. This is a D major triad. You can play this with one finger. And to this voicing, I'm going to add now different bass notes, all notes of the D major scale. G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E. And now I simply combine this voicing with the bass notes. This is pretty hard here, the F sharp. Of course, you can decide for yourself how far you want to go. And then you can play a rhythm, simply change those bass notes. Today I'm gonna show you some cool sounding jazzy voicings. I'm talking about quartal chords. Chords that are built by stacking fourth. These chords are really cool because besides sounding jazzy, their roots are not very strong, so they work really well to play over a pedal tone, to use them as an expansion for a chord. You can easily derive them from basic tetrad chords. I just have to lower the fifth to the fourth in each chord. I'm gonna show you in the key of D Dorian minor. D minor 7th. Here's the 5th, I make it the 4th. Same with E minor 7th. Next one, F major 7th. Now it's only a half tone step. G 7th. A minor 7th. B minor 7 flat 5. Only a half tone step down. C major 7. And then we're through. And I already mentioned it previously, they sound really awesome to play over a pedal tone as a chord extension. Today I'm gonna show you one of my absolutely favorite chord voicings, talking about this voicing here. In this position it would be a B minor 7 flat 13. That means it's a B minor 7 chord with a minor 6. It's got an incredible open sound and it's multi-directional. What it actually is depends on what you're doing next or what you did before. And what do I mean with multi-directional? Look, here's a B minor 7. If I raise the 5th, this now created minor 6 wants to go back to the 5th. There we got our first direction. I can also regard this chord now as an inversion of a G major 9 chord. I can also now replace the low B here with the A. If I could still play the B, then the B would be a 9th. This is actually an A7 sus4 chord that wants to go to D major. Because it never really says what it is, it gives you the possibilities to go in multiple directions. Look, if I start here on the E flat, I can go to the E minor 7. And then do this, and then check this out. This chord can help you to change keys and make it sound good. Additionally to this, we can derive another great voicing for this that works really well over a pedal tone. Let's now get rid of this bass note and the note on the high E string. What's left is a G sus2 chord. And I double this second here on the high E string. And this sounds awesome. And this also you can move around. If I put now an A in the bass, I can go here, and also here, and here, and here, and here. But I can also go here, or there,